Hey guys, this was long overdue. Anastasia here. If you're new to my channel, I wanted to talk in this video about things that I was loving in May and June and unbox this purchase that I just picked up from Dior last week. It's a really exciting time for me because it's end of school season. Well, I'm talking about seasons all the time, school year, and we are going to be traveling this Saturday. And yeah, I kind of already packed everything, and it's waiting for just like for the last bits and pieces, and then we can travel finally. I'm overdue like some other like fashion updates because one of my like sandals is like a little bit worn out by now. I needed to get some makeup updates, so I'm going to show you the things that I loved previously and I purchased them again, and some of the new things that I picked up as well. I don't know if you can notice, my skin has improved recently because I think I was taking a little better care about it, just like putting moisturizer and spritzing it with water. So I picked up this mist at Sephora. This is a Big C vitamin mist. It's not dry, it's like just like refreshing. It's such a nice fragrance as well. I think I was missing this step in my skincare routine. I would just like wash and then I would put directly, I would not even use a moisturizer, I would put like a SPF BB cream to make it super minimalist. But I started to break out a lot in some areas, and on days when I do like full makeup it's a bit better, but it takes a lot of time to take it off. So yeah, just by adding a little bit of moisture to my skin, it's I think it's glowing and it looks much better now. I was loving these sticks products from H&M actually, because you know I shop there a lot when I do some selections for my clients, for my styling clients, and just for my shopping recommendations and for my basic updates, because like we don't have any much other stores here. And I had a concealer like this which was amazing and I ran out of it, and now I got a very similar product, but it's a face stick. So for like any touch-ups it's really convenient, and you know on the days when my skin looks great I just use this instead of like my normal foundation to just cover some bits, and then I put a layer of BB cream. I'll show you the one that I got actually, one second. My SPF was this one. It was recommended by one of the girls that I do shopping for, and she's quite big on Instagram as well, Anastasia Fox, and she said this one was amazing. I bought it from Amazon, so I was using it quite a lot, like almost every day. It's like gelish texture, but I would recommend don't put it directly on skin after wash. You need some like another layer, like a little bit of oil or like some moisturizer, because I think I was breaking out from using just that one alone. I'm sorry, my battery was low, so I had to change it. Yeah, so these stick products are so great. And this was another one that is a lip and cheek color, and I didn't have it previously. I just had this glow stick. So the glow stick I would just put as a highlighter, and I love it because it's not white, it has like a rose gold tint, so you can even use it as a shadow. So right now I have it here as an eyeshadow, and I have a little bit on the places of my cheeks and my bones where I want to highlight it and make a little bit more like voluminous, if you could say that. And this one is the new one, so I would use it instead of a blush, or actually it was great putting it on a lip because you know we are wearing masks all the time, and just putting any product that is sticking to a mask is not great because it just gets transferred to a mask really quickly. And this was great because it has a color, but it is not sticky. And I was loving glitters that I had from H&M. So one of my favorite makeup at the moment is when I go out is I wear something black or like neutral, and then I would put eyeliner black on top, and I would use another eyeliner on the bottom in like bright blue teal color, and then I would put glitter, like silver glitter, on my lids. And I think it just like looks so cool, and I like that having a small wardrobe wardrobe has made me a bit more creative into experimenting with makeup. So I don't do too much different makeup, but I think I have two. One is like glam for like everyday, day to night, and another one like more like glam for the evening, when I can use the glitter, and it looks cool in a, you know, in a places where the lighting is low and lighting is like not so strong and soft, and when it goes into your face it kind of like gives a little bit of shine, but not too much. I don't like having too much makeup, you know me, but I feel like when we age we need to start using a little bit more, because it actually does wonders. Another thing that I was researching quite a lot, and I'm loving it actually, is jewelry pouch. My video on jewelry collection, I think it's out by now, or it might be out after this video. Anyway, it's gonna be linked somewhere here. And I don't think I really struggled with traveling with jewelry before, but now because I travel with my family, with my kids, I just have too many things that don't belong to me that I also have to pack. So it's better if everything is in place. And I had a couple of times that things snapped or were tangled, like some of the chains were tangled when I traveled with them. And with the earrings that are a bit more expensive, I sometimes worry like if I seem to lose them. So I researched and I found this Smith & organizer. It's called, I think that it's called the Mara. They have a few different types. They have smaller one, bigger one. So in these you can put your chains or bracelets. I have like my chains here. This one actually is quite big, so something even about more chunkier can easily fit in there, or you can even put more than one. It's quite like neat there and it doesn't get tangled. I've already tried it a few times and it just looks really beautiful in your handbag or luggage. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in my check-in luggage. Probably I'll just take it on a plane. And it has really cool like these holes for keeping your earrings here and there, and you can do the same with the bracelet. I usually don't take off my bracelet, but for the earrings sometimes I want to take them off. Yeah, no, I even have a screwdriver here in case I wanted to take it off, but probably it's not gonna happen. And yeah, with some little chains. So yeah, this is very lovely. I'm so happy I got this one, and it just, you know, lifts my mood when I look at it. These things you just need to make sure you get it in your favorite color, or like color that always like brings you this like joy emotion. And yeah, it's gonna be one of your favorite items when you travel, because you never know like where you're gonna be, you know. So this is kind of like gives you a little bit of comfort. And what else? Yeah, I picked up this necklace on a gold bazaar. I already had this round pendant before, but I picked up a new chain and I love it. I think like jewelry is such a good addition to any girl's wardrobe, especially like if you don't want to make your wardrobe too big. It's just, you know, giving you that like extra thing. With my birthday wish list, I wanted also to share it with in my video. I actually don't dream about like something really big. I said before I was considering a watch, but I just like did a lot more like mental thinking to figure out like if I wanted to actually wear a watch on an everyday basis. And I asked some of my friends who also had designer watches, and some of them said like they would not wear it like a lot. They would just wear it, you know, special occasion times. And everybody still like wants to wear a smartwatch because it's just easier. And yeah, you need a smartwatch because you want to measure your steps or like your sleep. So I'm just gonna stick with my smartwatch at the moment. And I don't like Apple Watch because I had it before and you have to charge it every day and it's just not convenient. And the way I communicate in messages like WhatsApp is very different to what other people do. So actually it's very unhelpful for me when I see like all these notifications all the time. Of course you could switch them off as I usually do, but yeah, it just like for me personally it didn't work, and it's too big as well. Or you can have these like fancy airbag straps. I think they work really well for men but not for women, not so much. And last but not least, I got a Dior. In my previous video you watched what I got last year at Dior on sale, and what I got this year is very slightly similar. Oh, I forgot to say what was else on my wish list. I think, yeah, I have made a wish list of a few small like jewelry items that I wanted from Dior, and I've shown them to my dearest husband, but they're really small. You probably knew before that I really loved the We collection. Like all the jewelry is very my style, I think, because it's like on a feminine, smaller side, and everything has like a cool vibe to it. So like the We ring, Je t'aime, and even like the Rose Divine collection, I really loved it. I wanted to have like a little bracelet with I think with a green stone. That would be so lovely. So I want something that I could wear here as a necklace, but I wanted to have little green stones, either like a chain. I saw one on Net-a-Porter, or there's one at Dior, so one of those I would like to have. Yeah, I like to have these like small things that you can wear a lot, rather than like something fancier, like even a watch, because it's I probably wouldn't wear it every day. It would be like more of a hassle for me to have it. Maybe I'll change my mind later, I don't know. If a watch would like do everything else, not just like look nice, that would be amazing, like, you know, counting steps and measuring your sleep. But you know, anyway, yeah. And another thing that I think I would want to have would be the new sandal by Bottega Veneta. It's actually not new. I tried it in one of my videos and I loved it so much, and it's like nude color but with a little bit of orangey hint. It's called BV line, and it's very classy, and it's like minimalist and modern. I think it's so me, and I would like to have it. So we'll see if I'm gonna get it as a present, or maybe I'll get it for myself. But July hasn't come yet. I usually, when it comes closer to July, I feel like, you know, I want to have that already in that like holiday mood. So a year ago I bought my Dior book tote for my birthday, from me to me, and I don't remember what I got from. Yeah, my friends were amazing. My friends like treated me with many presents, but I don't remember what else I got. I think just like nice experiences, and that's what actually I'm looking for. You know, when you already tried like so many nice things in life, you understand that the best things are not things. And I think my favorite, the most preferred thing that I wanted to have for my birthday is just to have like a nice dinner with some of my close friends in probably in Ukraine. Some of the friends that I haven't seen for 3 years, 2 or 3 years. Some of them I've seen actually, and we try to keep contact on Zoom. And yeah, it would be lovely if I would also be able to come to London and have dinner with some of my friends who I haven't seen like for a long time. But I don't know if it's gonna happen because of the COVID restrictions. It's just too hard, and I think I wanted to embrace like the slower kind of travel, and I'm trying to take off the box out of the bag really carefully. The nicest actually thing that you get when you get a Dior product is this gold star. It's the alternative to Camellia by Chanel. I'm really, you know, I thought before like Chanel is for everybody, but just recently I realized, you know, for some reason it's just not for me, and it's fine. You know, I think I'm much more of a Dior girl rather than a Chanel girl. And what are your guesses? Okay, tell me, what do you think it is inside? Shoes. Actually, it feels quite light, so it would be hard for you to guess. I wanted that t-shirt that says "We rise by lifting others." I actually didn't know it would be on sale, so I asked my essay to tell me when the sale starts, but I didn't know that one would be on sale. And actually, when I came to the store, I realized that that t-shirt was on sale actually, and then I tried it on, and for some reason it just didn't work. It kind of is a cute t-shirt, but it's just like a bit too plain, I think. Yeah, I think I just need to put my lipstick before I unpack it. How bloggers do that? I'm still like not in a habit of making a nice thumbnail. So this was my favorite lip product as well. Walk of no shame. Okay, you ready? Your guess is? Yeah, so when I came to the shop, and that t-shirt of mine that I really wanted was on sale, and I tried it on, and it just like didn't give me that like va something extra heel, and I was like, but I still didn't want to be leaving empty-handed on the Dior sale day. And then I browsed quickly at everything that they had, and something grabbed my attention. I wanted to get a denim, and I actually tried the denim as well, but that one was a new one. It wasn't on sale, and they would rarely have like even the small sizes. And then I saw this really cute top, so I'm gonna show you what I got. And in my mind everything like clicked instantly, because I was also wearing my light beige, like the beige jeans that I had. It's one of the like things that I love wearing during summer, and I was wearing my nude blazer, and yeah, this just like magically appeared. And okay, I can just take it out. I'm the worst person in terms of unpacking. So I got this really cute tank top in a navy color that is like, I think for my wardrobe and for my personal circumstances, it's like the best purchase, because I could wear it so much. I could wear it so much during summer. And I don't have really good dark denims at the moment, but I have a lot of light ones. So for the light colored denim, oh my god, I'm having so many orders. It's clicking. It works like magically well, so it would work really well with like white and beige denim. And yeah, when I put it on, I was like, oh my god, and I looked instantly better, because I like to have this neckline here. I think, yeah, what was off with that t-shirt is that it was a little bit too high on a neckline. I wanted a little bit more relaxed look. That's what I would expect from Dior. Although it was like really nice on the sleeve, on the length, it was fine, but this is just like so much better. So this is the thing that I got on Dior sale. I think I have to try it for you so you can see instead of like just me talking about it. Okay, and here I'm wearing it. So here, let me show you, I'm wearing it. And yeah, I think it's just gonna be such a versatile item for me, you know. And my husband was so funny. He said, you paid £500 for like plain tank top, but I don't think it's plain. Like, look at this like nice texture. So, you know, because a tank top suits me, I think it would be worth getting something that is a little bit more expensive. And I feel put together, you know, like I could have like a nice dinner or lunch in it. And it's quite practical one as well, and it has a little logo here. I'm sorry, the lighting is not good anymore, but you can tell it's just right here. So really cute. And yeah, instead of having a nice like fancy dress that I would just like wear once or twice a year, I would have a tank top that I could wear a lot, like almost every day during summer. I hope it was not super long, and thank you for watching. Wish me to have a good trip back home. I haven't seen my family for such a long time, and yeah, we still have to go. It's gonna be really hard because I'm gonna go alone with my 2 kids. So really small, but it should be fun, and it's better than spending summer here, because it's just too hot here, and we don't have many things to do outdoors at all, and we've done all the things that we could do indoors. So yeah, just wish me good luck, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. I hope you're gonna have a good summer as well, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next one. Bye.